everyone, I'm Tracy and this is Cooking with Intention. Welcome to my kitchen. So I'm gonna do another one of those requests from Facebook. I put out that poll of what y'all would like me to do a video on. I got another great suggestion. Shout out to Jeff. Al pastor tacos. Now, typically this is done in a spit roasting style, but I'm going to do it, my Tracy twist, with a pork loin. So I'm going to mix all these tangy flavors together. It's going to be magnificent. Let it marinate for at least 24 hours. And then I'm going to put it on the grill along with a pineapple salsa. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to show it to you. So marinating it is key because you really do want those flavors to get into that loin. And so it also has a little bit of the sugars. So it's going to caramelize and come out just beautifully. So thank you again for these suggestions. I am so excited. It gets me to do different as well. And yet it's in my back pocket and done it before, so I know you're gonna love it. Remember, my recipes are always in the description of my videos. So print them, follow along, and thank you for sharing and subscribing my videos. Very much appreciated. So let's get going on that marinade. Show you how delicious this is going to be. Look at that color. Okay, let's assemble. These tortillas are hot. Let's add some red cabbage and lettuce for some crunch and texture. Okay, let's add that yummy pork. Let's top it with that delicious salsa. Let's add some guacamole and some sour cream. Let's make it really delicious because I love my sauces. Let's do some Southwest aioli. Let's eat. It looks good.